Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Saraswati Temple in the central of Ubud. This temple we call also a Lotus Temple. Okay guys, let's check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, from Kuta I drove around 1 hour to go to Ubud. And today we will explore one beautiful temple in the central of Ubud. This temple we call Saraswati Temple. And right there is Lotus. So that's why this temple also we call Lotus Temple. A beautiful temple in the central of Ubud. Saraswati Temple exactly in the heart of Ubud. So that's why this temple just nearby Ubud Palace. And for Hindu, have like 4 different kind of the temple. The first temple we call family temple. It means like every family they have the temple at home. So they pray around 3 times a day, in the morning, middle of the day, and in the afternoon. And number 2 we call village temple. So every village they have some temple. They meeting each other around a week one time, and they organize about ceremony on their village. And the number 3 we call main temple. Main temple is mean like a big temple, and for all Hindu around the world can be prayed there. And number 4 is premier temple. Premier temple sometimes be beside the road or in the middle of the road. Also sometimes they put beside the rice field because they do pray before they doing activity. So also Balinese they pray for themselves and for all the people. So that's why they go to premier temple and put offering to pray to other people. Okay guys, let's see how the beautiful Saraswati Temple in Ubud. Okay guys, so this is Saraswati Temple in the central of Ubud. It's very beautiful, isn't it? If you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also hit the bell because I will show you how the beautiful of Bali. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.